Serene Disciple Project at Egret Isle Farm. On a kind of a cloudy, humid day. We got a lot of rain yesterday. Looks like we have some more coming this weekend. So we're going to squeeze this video in between the torrential rain showers. You see my apron has gotten dirty and kind of musty as well. It's waxed canvas, but when I smell the waxed canvas with a little bit of aroma of mildew, it reminds me of an old green army tent that we had growing up. We'd set that up in the yard or in the yard of a friend and sleep in it overnight. And so this musty waxed canvas smell reminds me of a lot of great sleepovers. Well, that's not why I'm making a video today. Today, I want to make an iPhone case. Now, I really like an iPhone case that is, it's called a folio case, and it goes all the way around the phone, protecting it. Because not only is my iPhone, it's also my information portal, and it's also, by the way, what I record all of these videos on. And so I guess we could apply the label made by iPhone or shot on iPhone to, to all my videos. So this is the pattern that I'm going to use. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and shooting videos on it was my excuse for getting that, and it seemed to work at the time. The phone has always worked. So before we get started, we need to pick out some materials. We need to finalize the design. We need to figure out, I don't have a snap enclosure. We need to finalize if we want this at all, and if we do, how we are going to manage the closing. And so that's the creative project for the day. You want to come along, learn how to make an iPhone case? All right, come on. So there you have it. Not a bad little project, kind of fun. Just with old scrap leather and some glue and thread and a plastic phone holder. I'm using Kay's phone, by the way, as the model since I'm recording this with my phone. This could have been a little longer, but you know, I'll make some more of these. I liked the inside. The suede came out very nice. Well, no big profound meaning today. I guess maybe the lesson is that you can have fun making cool stuff out of what you've got on hand. I don't know. Something to think about. We'll see you next week. Those are cows.